Hey guys, this is Tensor, and this video is just a channel update. I noticed that we just hit 8,000 subscribers. I'm very ecstatic about that. I know that the content has been sparse for the past month or so. This is mainly due to personal reasons, which I will not go into. That being said, however, there have been a lot of nice little events that have happened in my absence, which have sort of helped things solidify in the Dart world and the Flutter world. The Dart 2 SDK has now replaced the original Dart 1 SDK as the stable version of Dart. This means that many of the libraries that had APIs that were connected to Dart 1 have now been fully updated to Dart 2 as well, which means that I can also make a lot of content about these APIs and libraries without having to worry about them changing fairly quickly. Flutter also got a preview release, and of course this is again a very nice little event that happened. Along with Dart and Flutter, I have plans to go back to Golang, which I haven't talked about in about 2 years on this channel. I also want to go back to Elixir and of course Rust, and I have a few other languages that I do want to demo for you guys, which I've never talked about before. I do want to go back to ReasonML, and I also want to go back to Clojure. I'm sorry that the content has been so sparse for the past few months. It's not for lack of wanting to create it. It's for reasons that have been out of my control, unfortunately. The good news, however, is that in about 5 or 6 days, I should be able to get back to the normal release schedule that I had prior to the month of hiatus. There's just one more thing I should mention before I go. In the next 5 or 6 days, I will not be able to answer any comments, probably. So if you make a comment on one of my videos and you don't get a response in the next 5 days, hopefully I'll be able to answer all of the comments when I get back. I'm sorry if this causes any inconvenience, but I hope you guys understand. Alright guys, well I hope you have a good night.